Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From now on, I'm gonna post some vlogs on this channel, so stay tuned. But before starting my vlog, I'm gonna give some information about how, when, and why I'm in America. So let's get started. First of all, I'm an foreign exchange student here. I'm in state named Kansas. This is scholarship program, which is KLYES. Funding for this program is from US Department of State, so thank you. And my placement organization is CIEE, so big shout out to them. Big shout out to my host parents and everyone who helped me to be here. So guys, let's get started for the vlog. Enjoy the vlog. Hello guys, so we are headed toward our school. The lighting is not good here. It's 6:52 on Monday, so let's go meet you guys at school. Hey guys, we are in the school and let's see how does the day go. So hey guys, meet Mr. Leek. He's my counselor here. Hello.
Yep.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we are going to my second art, which is theater. So let's go.
Vlog. How are you?
Konnichiwa.
Hey guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned. We are going to upload some amazing content for next for whole year. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with all your friends. See you in the next one.